Hi, I'm Brad with Anderson Manufacturing. We're your complete source for leak detection and leak repair. We offer equipment, tools, and supplies that are going to help you find and fix leaks in swimming pools. Our Leakmaster brand is a popular brand of repair supplies, and it's a variety of sealants and putties and different things that are going to help you fix leaks in swimming pools. So today we're going to talk about Leakmaster Pool Glue, which is a very versatile solution for swimming pools because it bonds so well to skimmers, to main drains, to fiberglass stairs, even PVC and plumbing. Leakmaster Pool Glue is going to cure hard like an epoxy putty would, but it's going to maintain some flexibility, so as that pool shifts, it's not going to pop off. It's a two-part solution that works above or below the water level and can be used along with fiberglass mesh to strengthen or reinforce your repair. So here we have a skimmer that has a crack down the back. We've cut a little access so that we can see into it, but we're going to demonstrate how pool glue can be used to repair this problem and provide a long-term solution without breaking up the concrete. As we get started, we're going to attach the cartridge to the gun and the mixing tip to the cartridge. The mixing tip will be a one-time use, but the cartridge, if there's some left over, can be saved and used on future projects. We're going to dispense a little bit out of the mixer tip just to make sure that we're getting the proper mixture. Once the product becomes white out of the mixer tip, we're good to go. We're going to clean our surface real well, rough it up even if possible to get the best bond between the glue and the skimmer. With the fiberglass mesh that we're going to use to help reinforce this repair, we want to cut it to the correct length and try to cut it as clean as possible to avoid fraying of the fiberglass mesh. We'll then apply some pool glue right into the crack itself. The pool glue bonds so well that this would probably be enough, but the fiberglass adds reinforcement. We're going to make sure we get ample amounts of pool glue onto the fiberglass mesh on our mixing board. We want to have enough pool glue product to saturate that fiberglass mesh. We'll then work that into all the crevices of the mesh itself and make sure that we're good on the edges as well, so that when we put this on, the edges won't ever peel. As we apply the fiberglass mesh over the crack, we will press it down and then use our vinyl trowel to make sure there's no air bubbles and things get evenly distributed between the mesh and the pool glue. After we get our edges down good, we're going to apply a top coat of pool glue over the top of the fiberglass mesh and the crack, and this will be troweled smooth as well. Again, I like to make sure the edges are down well, so I'll put a little bit of pool glue around the perimeter of the fiberglass mesh. Using a vinyl trowel, we can smooth this out and make sure that the pool glue is evenly distributed and dispersed amongst the crack and repair. So we're back. We let it cure for 20 to 40 minutes whenever it gets good and hard. You can see just after the first repair that we've got a lot of rigidity and it's a really strong repair. We are going to add a second top coat just because we want to make it look a little bit better aesthetically and add strength to the repair.